What is up, everybody? Today is Thursday, September 4th. I'm going to be doing a trade recap for you guys. I ended up taking a long to data highs for around a 1 to 1.08 RR. Pretty simple trade. I could have let this run, but we did put in an SMT with all these highs on ES, and ES ended up taking out all the liquidity before NQ did. But I'm happy with my 1-to-1 because price action has been pretty shit the last couple weeks, or last couple months, honestly. But let's go over this trade, why I took it, what I saw today in general. So, starting on the daily time frame, like I usually do, we see that previous day high was already swept by market open, but on Tuesday we traded below this daily low, swept it out. It's probably a weekly low. We did have a SMT there, and we could see we have this strong rejection back up. And yesterday's daily candle also closed bullish. So on the higher time frame, we were looking bullish. Here on the 4 hour, we didn't really have much. We had these highs resting here, as well as these relative equal highs and these unfilled 4 hour fair value gaps. But we were moving higher, obviously generating some liquidity. So I was pretty bullish. Now in the hourly, we had Asia lows right here, which we ended up putting an SMT with after news came out at 10 a.m. Eastern. We were inside a bullish 1 hour fair value gap. Nice scaled down, really nothing on the 15 minute. We had this huge wick from market open. That could have also been one of your targets if you ended up holding. But we see market opens, we're kind of chopping down. This was the news candle. Took out London and Asia lows. We actually had a SMT with both of them, and we kind of started chopping around a little bit until ES took London low. Asian lows were protected because they traded into an hourly fair value gap. London lows did not. So after sweeping that, we saw the SMT at Asia lows with NQ. So that gave me confidence for the setup. After we traded away from this 5 minute bearish gap that news created, I was looking to see if there was any other fair value gaps in this leg so I could take an earlier entry so I didn't have to wait for the 5 minute. And we had this 2 minute highest time frame inversion. Ended up taking my entry once it got inversed. Stops at the SMT low, SMT with Asia lows. And my one and only TP was data highs right here. This was the 10 a.m. candle on the 1 minute. That's how I mark it out. And yeah, a pretty solid trade. I know a lot of people took it today. Some people took this 5 minute, which ran as well. Some people held runners, which ran for like a 1 to 3 RR. Few held. Overall, pretty solid day today. Price action was finally pretty clear for me to actually take an entry. Hope you guys learned something from this. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you guys want to live trade with me for completely free, there's going to be a link to the Discord in the description of this video. And yeah, peace out, guys. I'm going to be doing a trade recap on all of my trades, wins and losses. So, see you guys soon.